Hi guys, it's Ru the tutor here. So today I'll be taking you guys through addition and subtraction of fractions. We'll be doing addition and subtraction of proper fractions with the same denominator. So I'm quickly gonna take you guys through this exercise. So I want you to do it with me. Then after that we'll go through the answers. So the objective of this exercise is to see if you guys have grasped what we've covered in the previous tutorials on fractions. So it's just a very quick tutorial so that we can see if we're actually learning something and if we're grasping the content. If not, if you find yourself struggling, I advise you go back to the previous lectures or the previous tutorials and then go through the content again. And also please download all the additional course material, go through it, then come back and attempt the exercise again. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get into it. So for our first question, we have 3/7 plus 1/7. So because the denominators are the same, we simply add the numerators at the top and then we carry on the denominator. So we add 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. So our answer becomes 4/7 or 4/7. Then we move on to the next question, which is to our right, which is 7/11 subtracting 4/11. So since our denominators are the same, we write our denominator. So we'll write 11 on the lower half of where our answer is supposed to go. Then we subtract 7 from 4. So 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So our answer is 3/11 or 3/11. Then we move on to the next question, which is on the second row, one from the top. The question is 4/9 minus 2/9, right? So since we have the same denominator, we carry on the denominator. So we already know our answer is going to be whatever our answer is going to be, it's going to be have a denominator of 9. So what we then do is we subtract the 4 from the 2 and we get 2, then it becomes 2/9. Then we do the same for the next question, which is to the right of our previous question, and then it's going to be 2/4 minus 1/4, so 2/4 minus 1/4. Then we have our denominator, which is obviously 4, or in quarters, and then we say 2 minus 1 and then we get 1. So our answer then is 1/4. Then we move on to the third row. Then for the third row, our question is 2/3 plus 1/3. No, my apologies. The previous question is actually 2/4 plus 1/4. I thought that was a subtraction sign. So 2/4 plus 1/4, we add the 2 to the 3, the 2 to the 1 to get 3. Apologies. We add the 2 to the 1 to get 3. So the answer is actually 3/4. I'm happy I picked that up. So guys, always look at the question and always go back if something isn't making sense. So when I was looking at the question, I realized that it was a plus. So it's always important to pay attention and to be attentive. Don't let your mind wander when you're carrying out these exercises. Okay, moving on. So the next question is 2/3 plus 1/3. So we carry on the denominator, then we add 2 plus 1, then we get 3/3. 3/3, from our previous lessons, we'll remember that now that becomes a whole number. That is the same as 1. So this is something I thought we should just, try and go back to and try and remember that. So yeah, moving on. We then move to 6/10 minus 2/10. Okay, so we carry on the 10 and then we subtract the 6 from the 2 to get 4. So our answer then becomes 4/10. Then our next question or our next problem is 5/8 minus 3/8. We carry on the 8 and then we subtract the 5 from 3 We subtract the 3 from the 5, and then we get 2 over 8. And then for our next question, it's 3 twelfths plus 5 twelfths. So 3 twelfths plus 5 twelfths is equal to 8 twelfths. So we carry on the denominator, then we add the 3 and the 5. Then at the most bottom row, or at the last row, to our left, the question is 1 over 6 plus 2 over 6. So we carry on the denominator, then we add the 2 to the 1, so we get 3 over 6. Then our last question, which is 9 over 13 minus 7 over 13, we carry on the denominator, and then we subtract 9 from 7. We subtract 7 from 9, pardon me. We have 7 from 9 to get 2, so the answer becomes 2 over 13. So I've attached the answers to these exercises. So the idea is I've taken you guys through it, right? But if you weren't able to match my pace, it's fine. You can do this exercise at your own time and then look at the answers. The answers are provided as part of this worksheet in the course material. Thank you so much, guys. I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. If you require more exercises, please let me know. Then I'll just upload more content onto the course material. Thank you so much, guys. Cheers. Rule the tutor signing out.